Welcome back, guys. We've just been out for a dive, and I'll play those footages in a second. And we managed to get a nice snook. So we're just back. I filleted the snook up. It was quite a nice size, and we're going to do ceviche and then do some on the barbecue. So I'm going to take whichever one looks smaller, which I think is this one. Just going to trim up any of my terrible filleting jobs, and then just gonna, can probably actually do it smaller than that. Obviously, the bigger your chunks are, the longer it's going to take to cook. Get that bloodline out. Weird fish. Alright, and then this one, I'm going to do on the barbecue and do in big chunks, but Mexican style. Right. So we've just got some zest in there to start. And then we're just gonna fill this up with lime. So I'm just putting a bit of crushed garlic in the ceviche as well. Probably don't need all that. About half in there. I'm gonna put about half in here. Cool. While I'm at it, I'm gonna chuck a bit of lime in this one. Alright, so that's got lime zest, lime, garlic. We'll probably put a bit of salt and pepper in there.
And chili.
And chili. Make my fiance happy. Alright, so the ceviche is pretty much done. Just give it a shake. And that goes on the fridge now. This one, I'm doing a bit of a, I don't know, Mexican-ish seasoning. And a bit of paprika on the top. A bit of pepper. Bit of chipotle. And then I'm just going to top off with some tomatoes. Alright, now that can all marinate for a few hours while we chill out. The astute observer would know that I'm in a different shirt now. That's because I managed to get tomato all over a white shirt, which is classic me. But the ceviche is done. So, as you can see here, the lime has cooked the fish. You can use any citrus and it will cook that fish. Thanks, dog. You good? Bye-bye. You can do any citrus and it will cook the fish. But yeah, and then eat away. Doing well. That's really tasty. Comment below how you guys do yours and if there's anything we should have added that you guys would normally add, because we normally do a pretty simple one like this. That snook is actually quite nice in this ceviche. It's gone very mild and yeah, it's just a really nice fish. So yeah, comment below and let us know how you guys would do it. Just had this marinating for a few hours. We've already had our ceviche 2 hours ago and it's time for dinner. We've actually got some chicken on as well because there wasn't enough fish. So yeah, it's just been marinating for a while. It's starting to look a little bit well. You can see it's gotten a little bit of cooking from the lime that was in there. But we'll just get this on the barbecue. It won't take too long and we'll go from there. It's actually quite nice. It's flakier than like leather jacket. but it's actually quite a nice mild meat, and that tomato hasn't really come through, but it's like outside is baked in the tomato sauce, getting a little bit of chili in there, and a little bit of smokiness from the chipotle. So I'm really enjoying that actually. So if you guys have liked this, please hit that thumbs up. Tell us what you guys would have done differently with the marinade and differently with the ceviche. Wow, too many drinks this afternoon. So yeah, tell us what you guys would have done differently. Tell us what recipes you guys. I'm keen to try new things. It's the first time I've ever shot one of these, and going by the ceviche and by that, I'll definitely be shooting another one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.